Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix blurry Instagram stories. So first of all, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. And second thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once these two things are done, next step is to open Instagram application on your mobile phone and go to profile from the bottom right corner. In the Instagram profile, you will see a hamburger menu on the top right corner. So tap on it. Then tap on the search bar on the top and search here media quality. Then you will see this option data usage and media quality. Tap on it. Now here you have to make sure that this data saver option is disabled. So simply turn it off if it's enabled. Second thing you have to do is to enable this option upload at highest quality. Then your problem will be solved, and this is how you can fix blurry Instagram stories. I hope video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.